Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a financial tool that can be a game changer for building or rebuilding your credit. The Navy Federal and the Reward Security Credit Card. If you are a member of the Navy Federal Credit Union and eligible for membership, this card could be your ticket to the better credit score and the greater financial flexibility. Let's get started. First things first, what exactly is a secure credit card? It's a simple, you provide a cash deposit as collateral, which then they become your credit line. With the Navy Federal and the Reverse Secure Card, you can deposit anywhere from $200 to $5,000. These deposits protect the credit union, but more importantly, it gives you the opportunity to prove you can handle credit reasonability. Once you are approved and the dispute with funds, you can use your secure card just like any other credit card. Use it for your everyday purchases, online shopping, can even travel. The key is to make sure you stay within the credit limit and the most importantly pay your bills on time and every time. Navy Federal reports your payment activity to the major credit bureaus so each can on time payment helps build your credit history after as little as 3 months. Navy Federal may upgrade your card to an unsecured card and return your deposits. But the benefits don't stop there. The rewards secured card also offers rewards. You can earn 1 point for every dollars you spend. And then the no limits and how many points you can accumulate it. You can redeem these rewards for statement credit and cashback and even gift cards. Plus, Navy Federal offers bunch of extra perks like no balance transfer fee and no foreign transaction fees for the services member station overseas and fraud notification to protect your accounts. You can even freeze your card temporarily if you misplace it. So if you're looking to establish then rebuild your credit, the Navy Federal Rewards Secured Credit Card is definitely worth considering. With responsible use and the no time payments, you can improve your credit card score, earn rewards, and give and gain access to even better financial product down to the roads. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, give thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and tricks.